Hi there, travelers and daily commuters. Are you tired of dragging around a bulky suitcase that slows you down at the airport? Finding a sleek bag that fits all your travel needs can be a challenge. If you want the best carry-on backpack, you have come to the right channel. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Let's get started. Designed for users who need a perfect balance of elegance and practicality, the Arkrith SB122 carry-on backpack stands out. The Arkrith brand has crafted a beautiful bag that perfectly blends high-quality materials with thoughtful features for modern travelers. Let us dive right into what makes this bag so special for your journey. Starting with the build quality, this backpack is crafted with high-quality, exceptionally thick materials alongside meticulous workmanship. When you hold it, you instantly feel the durability that ensures it will last through years of frequent travel. It easily resists the wear and tear of being tossed into overhead bins. Beyond its toughness, it features a beautifully clean and minimalist design. This is useful because it naturally suits both formal business trips and casual situations. You no longer need separate bags for the office and your weekend getaways. It gives you a highly sophisticated look wherever you take it. When we look at the interior storage, the Arkrith SB122 carry-on backpack shines. It is intelligently designed to safely accommodate a massive 17.3-inch laptop. This is a tremendous benefit for busy professionals and remote workers who rely on their big computer screens while on the go. Alongside this protective laptop sleeve, the main compartment offers an impressive amount of space equivalent to a 35-liter suitcase. You can effortlessly pack several days' worth of clothing and personal items, keeping everything neatly organized without feeling weighed down by heavy luggage. Of course, your travel plans often change, and sometimes you bring back more items than you originally packed. To solve this, Arkrith has integrated a brilliant expandable zipper. By simply pulling this zipper around the perimeter, you instantly unlock extra storage capacity. This allows you to stuff in extra souvenirs or a bulky winter jacket without compromising the sleek profile of the bag. It is basically like having two different backpack sizes merged into one convenient package. Security is another major concern for any traveler, and this bag has you covered with a highly discreet private pocket right on the back panel. Because this hidden pocket rests tightly against your own back while you wear the backpack, it acts as a personal safe. It provides wonderfully secure storage for your most important items like a passport, emergency cash, and your smartphone. You can confidently navigate crowded tourist destinations and busy subway stations with complete peace of mind, knowing your valuables are safe from potential pickpockets. If you are a frequent flyer, you will absolutely love the TSA-compliant layout. Airport security can be stressful, but this backpack is specially engineered to open fully to a flat 180 degrees. This heavily streamlines your security checks. You can simply lay the backpack flat open on the scanner belt, allowing security personnel to clearly see the contents without requiring you to pull out your laptop or dig through your clothes. It saves you precious time and keeps your stress levels low before a long flight. Another innovative feature of the Arkrith SB122 carry-on backpack is its versatile carrying modes. You can easily wear it on your back using the comfortable padded shoulder straps, or you can quickly transform it into a suitcase-style bag by carrying it from the durable side handle. This adaptability matches your varying travel needs effortlessly. Whether you need your hands free to check your phone, or you want to carry it like a traditional briefcase while walking into a formal hotel lobby, the choice is entirely yours. Beyond air travel, this backpack fits perfectly into so many different daily routines. Whether you are planning spontaneous weekend trips, commuting to work, or just navigating daily city life, it offers ample and organized storage within a compact form. Thanks to its thoughtful features and premium elegant design, it also serves as a highly meaningful gift option for friends or family. It is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any back-to-school occasions. Anyone looking for a reliable companion will appreciate this backpack. Are you ready to upgrade your travel experience? Check the price link in the description to secure yours today. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome gear features and tech guides. Thank you so much for watching, and have a safe journey.